Hello, my love. So I'm back with yet another quick DIY. Y'all know I love my DIYs. A lot of my videos lately have been DIYs, but it's just so much that I've been wanting to make. And so anyway, that's what I'm doing. Um, y'all know with COVID, we have nothing but time on our hands. So this DIY is a quick DIY for my baby boy who will be here next month. So happy about being a mom again. And this is gonna be a changing pad. So let's get into the video. So the first thing I do is take this liner and pretty much just lay it out, kind of measuring it up to my fabric. And forgive me, I thought I had a clip of the actual liner that I used, but I didn't. But I pretty much just made it into like a little pillow so that the changing pad wouldn't be so flat with just the fabric. I wanted him to have some cushion. All I'm going to do now is just lay it onto the fabric, and I'm going to simply hot glue it down. And I'm using a lot of hot glue because I want the bun to be very, very tight. When I turn it inside out, I don't want any loose spots or any spots coming apart, so I'm using a lot of glue. Next, I'm going to start on my pocket, and I'm simply just taking a piece of leftover fabric and I'm folding it into gluing down the corners. And that's my pocket. I'm going to hot glue the entire bottom part, but I'm not going to hot glue the top piece yet because I do have to make the actual pocket itself. So you'll see that I didn't hot glue the top. I'm going to take the scissors and just cut like a little hole so that I can make a straight line for my pocket entrance. And it was just that simple. So there you go. I'm going to make it a little wider because I do need a diaper and some wipes to fit in here or whatever I decide to stick in there. Now I'm going to hot glue the top part down, but making sure none of the glue gets to the side. I'm going to take this little white strip, just the white piece here. You see I already cut a piece out, and I'm going to use that as my pocket topper just so that I can tell where the actual pocket is, and it's just going to be a little trim piece for me. That's it. So when I have nothing in this pocket, I want to be able to see exactly where the pocket's at, and I'm just going to hot glue it down on the inside. Now I did go back in with another white piece just to make the trim look wider for me. I wasn't liking the feel of the thinner piece. So I'm just hot gluing it down, making sure nothing comes. And then I'm going to hot glue the bottom to close it up. And this piece of fabric worked out so perfectly because as you can see, it was cut so nicely. So there wasn't any like outrageous cutting I had to do. Just had to clean up a couple pieces. And once I actually hot glued it, it made that so much simpler because the pieces just kind of came off so much easier. So I'm not going to do any folds or anything at the bottom. I just simply cleaned up the fabric and it's sealed up nicely, and it's closed. That's the end of my pocket. Now I'm going to go up and close up the top. And I'm not going to close anything. I did have to go back and pull open a little piece of fabric because when I first did it, I wasn't sure if I was going to do the pocket or not. But it was simple because it is hot glued, and all I did was tucked my pocket into that fabric and left at the top part of the opening of the pocket and I hot glued that in between the fabric. So now I'm going to turn it inside out. And again, because I used a lot of glue, I didn't have to go slow and make sure nothing popped loose. It was very, very secure, and I love the way the pocket turned out. I'm just straightening it out, making sure there's no lumps anywhere, because I do have the little liner in it as a cushion. Now I did have to go ahead and close the top part of the pad, and I've done this 1,000 times, nothing special, just simply hot gluing it to closed. And so now I'm going to actually make a band for the pad. As you can see, I've already folded it up the way I wanted it. And I'm just going to take an extra piece of spare fabric and just fold it over into a nice little band, pretty much. Nothing special. I was going to do it like a tie. I was going to tie it together. But then I was like, no. So I just made the band. And I actually hot glued this piece of fabric. Then I laid another piece of fabric on top of it just so that the band felt thick. I didn't want to look thin, flimsy feeling band. So after I did that, I ended up cutting this into like 4 pieces, I believe. And the extra pieces will be hot glue on top. So there you have it. Now I have 2 thick pieces of band, and I simply hot glued the first piece down, making sure it was nice and tight, but leaving an extra piece out to latch on to my next piece of fabric. So now I'm going to go on top, and I'm going to hot glue the top piece down. And I actually had some Velcro pieces sitting around, so I'm going to take those and I'm going to add them to the bands, and all I'm going to do is hot glue them and stick them on there. Now the top part of the band did come out a little thinner than the bottom, but it did not cause any friction. The Velcro still went in nicely. All I had to do was trim a little bit off. I added a little hot glue to the back to make sure that when I'm opening, it doesn't pull apart. That was my biggest fear, is when I go to open it up, it just pulls off of the fabric. So I did add the hot glue to make it a little more firm. And I held it for a few seconds just to try to make sure the glue was nice and hot before I tried to pull it apart. And I had to trim only just a little piece off, nothing major. It still fit perfectly, opened up perfectly, you guys. And there it is, all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for liking. Bye, guys. So I did go in and add a pack of wipes, travel wipes, and 1 diaper just to show you that it can hold, and it does fold over nicely. It doesn't cause any friction or anything. It fits perfectly. And I can just grab this and go. I don't have to take the whole diaper bag with me, which can be aggravating, especially if you're toting a big diaper bag. So I could just grab this and go into someone's bathroom if we're visiting family, or if I'm at a store and I don't have I don't want to take the diaper bag in the store. But yeah, I'm happy with it.